guys, it's Alexa back with another video, and today, as you guys can tell by the title, I finally got Bruce back from his repairs. As you guys know, he was damaged in Virginia Beach probably around the end of August earlier this year, and unfortunately a gate clipped his fender, and he was sitting with damage for over a month because those people were incredibly hard to get in touch with. Long story short, finally got my insurance to help me take care of it, and we're all good to go. So as you guys can see, let's take a look. Like nothing ever happened. So of course, if you guys haven't seen the damage by now, I'll go ahead and insert a clip here. And now you can see we are back to normal. So I'm sure you guys are wondering, where are the side stripes at? The fender stripes. So those are coming. They were actually supposed to be in today from the shop, but they were on back order. The order didn't get placed until Saturday, which was supposed to be done on Friday, but they will be shipped tomorrow. I wanted to pick up the car today because I missed it. I've been driving the Jeep, of course, for over a week now. I've been driving it everywhere, and I've definitely been enjoying it, but the fact that it's a manual is starting to wear on my knee a little bit. I have been driving the Jeep, you know, on and off occasionally, but I've never driven it for this long of a stretch of time, running errands, going back and forth to work and everything. So love the Jeep, but I'm ready to drive something else now. So yeah, I wanted to pick it up today. I missed driving it, and tomorrow the stripes should be in, so I'm excited for that. Hopefully I'll get those put on. They're going to be slightly different than the stripes that I had on, but Bruce got to have his war paint, you know what I'm saying? Got to have that war paint. Makes it stand out a little bit. But yeah, he looks a little naked right now, but don't worry, Bruce, the stripes are coming. So, to christen the Camaro back into my driveway, I decided that I'm going to slap on a couple mods already. So, mod number 1. Yes, I'm going to do some seatbelt covers. I felt the red was close enough. I don't care if it's directly matched or not, but if you guys don't know, I'm going to add on another pair of blind spot mirrors, because as you guys can see, I added some blind spot mirrors to the Jeep, and when I say it's the best thing since sliced bread, let me tell you, especially if you have a vehicle that doesn't have the automatic blind spot monitors, having these really saves you some time. It saves you from breaking your neck to check, you know, if someone's in the lane that you're trying to get into. It just really helps a lot, and the best part is they're only $4. I got these off of Amazon, and they're only $4 freaking dollars. Blind spot mirror, you literally just take off the adhesive on the back, slap it on in the corner, and you're done. So I feel like for $4 you can't beat that. These seatbelt covers, I can't remember the price off the top of my head. I believe they're less than 20, but super easy to install. Of course, I got these off of Amazon as well. So these should add a nice little accent to the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and see how they look when I'm done. You open it up. Just Velcro. Nothing fancy about it. I'm sure you can get different types of seatbelt covers if you want to pay a little extra money to get a nicer one, but we're just gonna put this on, tuck it in. And voila, it's that easy. So now I can do this. Now it's always visible. And I'll do the other side. Boom. All right, easy as 1, 2, 3. These are nice and soft. And one of the main reasons that I got these seatbelt covers for the Camaro and for the Jeep is because since I'm of shorter stature, the seatbelt normally comes like right here on my neck instead of like comfortably across my shoulders. So since it's like right here, I don't want like the belt kind of cutting across my neck. So adding this provides a little bit more comfort and it feels a lot better. So these are not just for style, but help protect my neck a little bit. But they do look really cool, so I like that. Nice little color pop on the inside to go with my steering wheel. Woo! All right, now time to put on our blind spot mirrors. So wipe off the corner where you're gonna apply it. And the best part about it is these are adjustable. So you can kind of tilt whichever way you need, up or down, so you can get the perfect angle. These also help with parking too, because on the Jeep I have them angled down and sometimes I can't quite see the lines, but if I look in here, I can see where the lines are and I'm able to park a lot better, so these help. All right, one side done, and I guess I will move on to the other side. As you guys can see, I do have a little icon that shows that this is a heated mirror, or I guess it has defrosting options, but I don't think it should be a problem for the adhesive. Of course, if it is, I'll let you guys know, but I don't think it should be an issue. I really don't think it gets that hot, but we'll find out. And of course, they do have different blind spot mirrors that are smaller sizes or fit in a corner or something like that, but you know, for $4 you can't beat it, just to add a little more security. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And second side is done. So if I want, I can adjust them down this way. Yeah, they have a pretty wide range of adjustability, so I like that. So hopefully it should cover all my sides. I know everyone's like, oh, the Camaro visibility is terrible. Well, here's a $4 easy fix if you really like the Camaro but you're worried about you can't see. So there you go. That'll add a little more security. So yeah. Alrighty, so my two small mods are finished. I think they both add functionality, and of course the seat belts look really cool, and I can't wait to see how well these blind spot mirrors work out. But I saw it in my friend's car and I was like, yo, I really need to get these for $4. I feel like you can't beat it, just to add that extra visibility, and it'll save you potentially an accident dealing with insurance companies. As we all know, my run with insurance companies has been quite the ordeal. But either way, we're slowly getting to the bottom of that. Point is, I got my car fixed. I'm happy with it, and pretty soon we'll be getting in touch and I'll be reimbursed for all of my expenses. So as always, if you enjoyed this video and you're happy to see Bruce back at home, make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content. I do try to post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.